Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to start using the Smart API. But first, we need to create a virtual environment so that everything that you're doing does not hamper everything else that you're doing. So everything that you do through YouTube series does not hamper any of your other work. So, in order to create an environment, let's start with the basic. You first have to open Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda prompt, I'm sorry. So, Anaconda prompt comes here. Now, in order to create a new environment, you have to write this and then the name of the environment that you want to create. I am creating this with Python 3.8. If you're using my videos, please use the same Python. And once you click on enter, I have already created this, so it will not let me create. But if you click on enter, it will create for you. So I have named it YT series. You can name it XYZ, your name, your parents' name, anything. All right. So once you have done this, you need to go to this environment, say conda activate YT series. So here, if you can see, it is base environment right now. Once I activated this, the environment will change to YT series. All right, we have done it. Now, in order to start working on Python, you need to download, you first have to go to GitHub page, Smart API Python, and install these two things. So pip install works. All you have to do is write here pip install Smart API Python, enter. I've already installed, so it will probably, okay, it's installing it again. Okay, it's saying that it's already installed. I've already installed it, but you just write this code and it will install for you. Then second thing is this pip install WebSocket client. So pip install WebSocket socket client. All right. Now we have to install spyder and pandas. So I'm going to first install spyder. So the code for that is conda install -c anaconda spyder. Sorry, I just wrote condas by mistake. It is conda. I've already done all of this. I'm just showing it to you guys. And this might take some time. It takes a lot of time actually. Should not have run this code. I've already run it because never mind, you guys do this. And the last thing is installing pandas. So once this is installed, we go here to GitHub page and we see that what all is there in order to log in, use the Smart API to connect the two things being, one is your Python code and second thing is your Angel One broker. So you need your API key, you need your client key, you need your password, which is now converted into your PIN, and you need your QR code value. All right. Let us see. Okay, this is installed. Let us now install pandas. install pandas equal 0.24.1. I'm installing this specific package because the series that I've made uses this package. So ensure you're installing the same one as well. And once you are done with this, just write spyder and we'll be ready to code. I'm very excited. All right, I think I'm going to stop this video here because this is going to take time again to install. Once you've installed this and all the above things, jump on to the next video to see how we actually start coding. Get these details. Until then, your API key, your client key, your pin, your QR code value. In the next video, I'm going to tell you how to get your QR code value in case you're not aware. The other three things you should already have. All right, thank you. Bye bye. See you.